Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Mary, and for today's video I am going to be doing this look you see here. I am going to be getting ready with you to go to a wedding anniversary, so I'm really excited you guys because we haven't gone out in rato like to a party. So this is like a first one in a very long time. I'm not gonna be doing my hair, but I am gonna be doing my makeup, so if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just please keep on watching. Okay babes, so I'm fresh out the shower. I am clean and ready to get ready. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my eye drops, and these are from Lumify. I love these eye drops because they widen up my eyes a lot. And now, before I put anything else on, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my contacts. And I'm using a new pair of contacts. These are from Desio in the shade Wild Green. I love these contacts, you guys. They're so comfortable and they look so natural. I like to double check them before I put them on, just to make sure that they're not like torn or anything. Okay, she's already transformed. I'm gonna start off with my skincare, of course, and I'm gonna be using my Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I'm gonna be using my Patrickta for Brows Shaping Wax. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my brows, and I'm gonna be using my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer in Sugar Biscuit and a Morphe M224 brush. Now I'm going to be using my Trixie Mattel brush in P10. And I'm going to be using the One Size Visionary palette. I love this palette, you guys. And as you can see, I've used it a lot. And it's kind of dirty. There's powder all over it. Okay, I'm going to start off with Soft Serve, this shade right here. And I'm going to apply this all over the crease. Okay babe, so now I'm gonna go in with Booked, this shade right here. I'm gonna use a Morphe M456 brush, a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm gonna blend that shade out. So I had to get up to see the color of my dress because I really want to match my shimmer shadow to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do Walnut Strut, this one right here, and it's so pretty, you guys. I'm gonna use my ring finger. By the way, you guys, my press-ons are everything right now. This time I bought Kiss, these ones right here, and because y'all know your girl's in a budget right now, so I had to buy press-ons. This shimmer is so pretty. It's going on so good. I love this palette so much, and I know that it's on sale right now. Sephora for $22, which is awesome. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that Book shade onto the outer corner just to intensify a little bit more. I went ahead and I put on my lashes off camera, and these are from Beauty Creations in the style Cryptic. I wore these last time on my previous video, and I had to cut them. I low-key had to cut them. I cut them today and they look so much better. I don't know what I was thinking. I had to put eyeliner on this side because I really wanted to see how it was gonna look. So don't mind it. I'm gonna put eyeliner to the very last. You know what? Never mind. I'm just gonna put it on right now. And I'm using Colourpop's Cream Gel Liner in Swerve. And I'm gonna be using my Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Cream. Now I'm going to use my Laneige Hydro UV Defense SPF. I'm going to be using my One Size Secure the Blur Primer. Today I'm going to be using the new Morphe Vegan Pro Sponge, and this one is new. It just came out with the brushes as well. I really want to get the brushes. I can't right now because I'm on a budget. So this is what the sponge looks like. It's so pretty and it's so pointy. I love how like black it is, and it is super soft. And one thing that I did notice when I was wetting it, it kind of just got like very like smushy. I am going to be using my Nars Soft Matte Foundation, and this is in the shade Aruba. I don't know why the sponge is like this. It's so weird. Okay, it's like, did I do something wrong? It's like squished like a pancake. You guys hear that noise? Like, what the hell? So far I really do like the sponge, but I don't know what the hell. I don't know why I got like this. Okay, babes, so for concealer, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Full Filter Concealer in Sugar Biscuit, and I'm going to contour with Honeycomb. I'm going to use this for concealer, but I had to wet this one to use it for my contour since I do like to use a sponge. Okay, babes, so now I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer with the One Size translucent powder. I'm going to be using my One Size Turn Up the Base powder and medium 4G. And I'm just going to put a tiny bit, not a lot. Using my Jaclyn Hill Top Down bronzer. You guys, I've noticed that it smells like honey. I'm like, why am I like all of a sudden craving some waffles with like honey syrup? So moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and carve out my bronzer, and I'm gonna be using my Mercier Translucent Honey. Okay, babes, meanwhile, I let this sit. I'm going to go ahead and put some under eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using Top of the Game. Babes, so now I'm going to go ahead and put some of this shade right here. This is But that's the one I used on the outer corner. Get some stuff off camera, and now I'm going to go in and put on some blush, and I'm going to use this shade right here, Beauty, but it's the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism Blush palette. Definitely the shade I want. And okay, babe, so I'm almost done. I know I need the lip part, but I'm gonna go ahead and wait for that because I am gonna eat something. I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna eat, and I don't want to just do my lips and then have food all over the place. I am gonna set my face already with the MAC Fix Plus spray. I have a fan, you guys. I have a fan. I just don't know where it is. So I'm just gonna use this. So for a second setting spray, I'm gonna use my One Size Until Dawn because we want this makeup to last, girl. Okay, babe, so that is it for this video. That is it for this look. The hair is not so perfect, you guys. I did the curls as like I could because it's been a minute since I've curled my hair, girl. I haven't curled my hair in like ever, especially with long extensions. These are from Bellamy and 22 inches if you guys are interested. I haven't really worn them as much. I've only worn them 3 times. I am gonna go ahead and write down everything that I did use on the description down below, just in case you're interested. Just in case you are interested in seeing how I did my hair, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know to show you guys how I did it, to give you guys more information about these extensions if you do like them. Thank you so much if you did watch to the end. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys and girls in my next video. Bye. And this is a dress, you guys. This is a dress that I'm gonna be wearing. I am gonna be posting a picture of how long it is, and this is how it looks. It's so cute. I got it at Fashion Q just in case you're interested. So yeah, you guys, I gotta go, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.